Hello, and welcome to the Mystery School of the Rose. My name is Bianca Kempe, and I am the founder of the Mystery School. It's a pleasure to meet you, and I am so excited that you found your way here to this portal. If you are here, that means you are following the call of your heart, following the call of your way. Have you been waiting for that blueprint to share your gifts more deeply with your community? To hold your sisters in a space of empowerment, to support your sisters on their spiritual path, on their way of awakening, on their way of coming into their sovereignty? Are you remembering the ancient ways? Are you connecting to the goddesses? Are you remembering your why? Why are you here? How are you serving? Are you connecting with the rose? Are you feeling deeply connected to the scent, the vibration, the embolism of the rose? Are you feeling it in your heart? Are you feeling massive shifts happening in your body, in your environment, in your emotions? It's the time. It truly is the time. It is the moment of the golden age. We are very rapidly moving into a space of increased vibration. We are evolving as a species, and to hold that frequency, many of us sisters are remembering how to hold that, remembering the ancient ways that allowed us to step into vessels of remembrance and of power, of leadership, of stewardship. It is the time to reclaim our space as stewards of the new earth, to build the golden cities, to support our brothers and sisters on their path of awakening. If you are here, I welcome you, and welcome to the Mystery School of the Rose. This is a mystery school of ancient temple practices from the Temple of Isis. In this school, we move through 7 gates, throughout 7 moons, and learn and experience and deepen into and then share 7 ritual practices from the ancient times. Once we experience them, we go into deep depth of understanding and decoding, deconstructing them to understand how the alchemy works, how the magic happens, how the transformation is birthed. And then we share that with our own communities so that we too can be bright pillars of light, supporting our communities, supporting our sisters into remembering who they are, what they are, and how they serve. Reminding our sisters their gold, of their purpose, of their gift, so they too and we too can all contribute our gold in building these beautiful golden cities. It is the time. If you are here, you are being called to share this magic with yourself for deeper embodiment of your sovereignty and leadership, and to share that with your community. If this resonates with you, if you are ready to enter the temple, if you are ready to enter the practice of temple arts, of temple technology, of temple etiquette, to embody the priestess path, to embody the way of the priestess, of beauty and grace, devotion, leadership, then you are in the right place. And I invite you to continue to the next step, where you'll fill out a form and we'll see if this program is in alignment for you. We are calling leaders. We are calling beautiful sisters who are ready to space hold massive transformation. We're calling sisters who are ready to support their communities into deep awakening, to support the entire planet as we shift into this new earth, elevated state of consciousness, moving through this ascension that we are moving through right now. How exciting. If this resonates, I invite you to click the button below and go to the next step to fill out the form. Many blessings. I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to welcome you into the temple and walking the priestess way together.